just simple mission. Simple mission. No be saying witchcraft. Now he just had me to do like this. In and out. Just that. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I post, you will be the first to be notified. Wait, first of all, say only me don't witness this kind of thing. Like, you won't go market, you budget some certain amount of money. Say this money now it's now spend for market, I'm not go spend past this one. It happen to now because me I won't know whether now only me they happen to. Just simple mission, in and out. Just go and buy Maggie and come back. Few minutes. 9 to reach change. 5 minutes. Now waiting I give myself for market, but Nigerian market no work like that. One woman just shout, fine girl, come price tomato. I say I want use tomato cook. Another one can shout, say my daughter, this chicken is calling your name Azana. Before I knew it, my budget was budgeting. My account balance, I say my village for those who observe me. Finally, I go home and I set out my ingredients, and later on I became confused. My ingredients were staring at me, I was staring at my ingredient as well. Everybody just confused, and suddenly I see make I tie a prawn. I see my money, I must use and wear. And something entered me. Not Holy Spirit, not motivation, no. My guy, now hunger enter my soul, my body. So I decided to start cooking. Yeah, that was when I decided to make my jollof rice. As you can see, oh my god, jollof rice here. Otoka, oh my chai, ona toka him nama. As you see, that's what you could take for now. I was just adding and stirring and putting and taking and doing all the inning. My dear, see it now. Are you seeing it? Chai, this is so sweet. You needed to, perceive the aroma. The aroma, man. It was breathtaking. I don't know how you make your jollof rice, but this is how I make my jollof rice. Thanks for watching, and this is the final result.